In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Telegram in PC or laptop. So what you want to do is simply open up Google and type in Telegram web, and then the first thing that pops up is, as you can see, web.telegram.org, and you want to click on this, and then you've got two options, okay? As you can see, a QR code opens up over here that you can scan, and in order for you to log into Telegram by QR code, you want to open Telegram on your phone and then go to Settings, Devices, and then Link Desktop Device. And then all you want to do is point your phone at the screen to confirm your login, and it's going to log you into Telegram automatically. Now, there's an alternative option over here where you can also log in with your phone number. You want to click on Login by phone number over here, and then put in your country of residence, okay? And then put in your phone number. You can also decide whether you want to stay signed in or not, and that's pretty much it. You'll be logged into Telegram as well, and those are the two options how you can use Telegram on PC or laptop.